Hey, Blythe here, bringing you tidbits about health and beauty so you can have radical radiance every day. To get more information on living a radiant life, get your copy of my free guide at blythekelly.com. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can step into even more vibrant health and beauty. Many of my clients have asked about the digestive process because they struggle with a host of things from gas, bloating, and some more complex issues. And like you, they are eager to figure out what the heck is going on so they can feel better. By the end of this tutorial, you will know two key components that are present throughout the digestive process. It will give you some clues as to what's going on in there. Many of my clients have benefited from this info, and now it's your turn. One of the reasons the digestive process is so important is because it provides nourishment at the cellular level. And nourishment coming from the food you ingest. And then that food's got to get into tiny little pieces for your cells to be able to utilize. Within the digestive process, there are two types of breakdowns going on to aid the food to get that tiny. Two types of processes. One being chemical. And in my video, Confessions of a Colon Hydrotherapist, I demo a great example of this, and we'll post the link in the comments below so you can check it out. The second type is mechanical. Mechanical being all the moving parts within the digestive tract. Any notion on what you might think some of this could be? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. Many of my clients experience one or both of these are a problem. Now, I'd like for you to keep these two components in the forefront of your brain as we move through this tutorial series, because there's going to be more than just one. There's a lot of information. The more you understand what the heck is going on in there is helpful in relieving some of that discomfort, but yet can also be a little challenging to navigate and fully understand. Sometimes we're a bit too close to really get the full depth and scope of things. So having a professional like myself on board with you to hold your hand through the process is always beneficial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please let me know by liking it below, subscribing, and share it with your people. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next tutorial.